Welcome back, Ashwin, to this channel where I get to talk to you to gain insight as to what the markets are doing, what the big boys are doing, what the Fed is saying, and so that we can make sense of this market and make better decisions and raise our financial intelligence. And hopefully we can all make some money.
Thank you, Tessie, for inviting me once again. I have news for you. Powell says more restriction is coming, including possibility of hikes at consecutive meetings. Powell said at forum in Sintra, Portugal, yesterday, that he expects multiple interest rate increases ahead and possibly at an aggressive pace. This is quite strong language he's using. Now, assuming a quarter point per meeting, that would mean 2 more rate hikes, which we already know, which we already have priced in.
Yeah. So it looks like we're looking at 2 more hikes of a quarter point each, which will bring the total number to 12 rate hikes.
That's correct, Jesse. Now, at this same forum, ECB President Christine Lagarde said she will also very likely hike again in July.
Wow.
Okay. Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda and his institution says that they could tighten their ultra loose policy if inflation doesn't ease up, while Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey stressed the importance of bringing down prices and said he wouldn't consider raising the 2% inflation target. Means there is a possibility of another rate hike in England as well.
Wow. So it looks like the major powers that be are still not done raising interest rates yet.
Yes.
Ashwin.
Now, what should investors do, most importantly, to understand this? Despite all this hawkish language from all the central bank governors around the world, listen to this. S&P and the NASDAQ remain steadfast in their bull trend. Okay, they are ignoring the Fed completely. The NASDAQ cash index is now up 39% this year, while the S&P has climbed 15%, despite all these hawkish statements.
Isn't that an irony?
Yes. So basically, we are taking the opportunity to add to our long positions. Okay, whenever the market drops on any remarks from Powell. This is the opportunity of a lifetime, must I add. Okay. And while waiting for stocks to climb, investors can also earn passive recurring income every single week. Now, let me explain.
So hang on. So you're saying that despite the Fed's announcements of further rate hikes,
yes,
the market hasn't taken note of that and continues to rise.
Correct.
Amazing, right? So
S&P is up 15%, NASDAQ is up 9%.
That's ironic. And then you're saying that there's another way, yet another way, while you are taking advantage of the low prices, there's yet another way to make money while we wait.
Yes. Like I said, Powell can say what he wants. The NASDAQ has gone up 39% since January. What are we talking about here?
So it seems like the market has a mind of its own.
Yes. So let me explain. While you're waiting for the stocks to go up, locking in fantastic low values, managed fund that pays you 8% per month trading FX volatility. Okay. And this works out to 2% a week. Volatility meaning as long as the FX moves up and down, you monetize it. The professional traders do it for you, and they give you 8% a month, 2% a week. Okay, that works out to 80% in 12 months.
So you are saying that the returns are 8% a month, and it works out to 80% a year.
Yes. And now I got better news for you. There's a staking fund that can pay you up to 2% per month. Okay? That is 0.5%, 0.5% per week.
Yeah. Well, my first response is too good to be true, but I understand that this fund manager has a has a superb track record, and you can even track their movements by an MT4.
Yes. And now I will not go into details of what a staking fund is, except I'm trying to explain to you that that adds another 2% per month. Okay. If you call us and contact us, we'll explain to you what a staking fund is. So all in all, you can make 2.5% per week.
This recurring cash flow, Ashwin, is in US dollars.
Yes. So when we say
goodness.
2.5% per week, we are talking 10% per month. Whether you say too good to be true or whatever, we have the details.
And it's been done, right? People are enjoying the returns.
So while the stock market goes up, ignoring Powell, you will make 20 to 30% per trade from your quality tech companies. Plus, you will make 2.5% per week, 10% per month in a managed fund.
Well, I'll tell you something about foreign exchange. I mean, my ringgit in Malaysia is suffering, it's taking a beating. So I would estimate inflation anything between 20 and 40% per year. Anything that gives you a return of lower than that, cannot even be considered. So this is something that, this is something that we just have to look at. And also in terms of US dollar income, right?
Yes.
And you can take out your money on a weekly basis.
Or even monthly or whatever you want.
I think it's worth a look into, Ashwin.
Yes.
I mean, for whatever people might say, too good to be true, etc., it's worth a look into, because what else is there in this given time and space?
See, while Powell is deciding when to cut off or when to stop interest rate hikes, this avenue to make recurring income.
Yeah.
And like I said, you should contact us, as you said, and at bit.ly/algotrader. Forgive me for rushing because the video will not wait for us. You can contact us at bit.ly/algotrader, which will land you on our WhatsApp page.
Yeah.
Now, before I sign off, please look forward to our second video being released as early as this afternoon or this evening, where we will talk about the ringgit, because it's one of the most battered currencies in Asia. Please stay tuned for that.
Yes, I can feel that, Ashwin. I'm Malaysian, I know. Okay, thank you. We'll speak to you later.
Thank you.